we have original Sadabahar kurtis. This one is available in M size. This is original with tag. This is only kurti. This is the complete design. Made on organza fabric, fully embroidered, and there are these beautiful crystals attached on the daman. Design, this one is available in size S. This is small size. This one is also on organza. This is fully embroidered, small size. This is Bin Said formal. This is two-piece collection. It has top and dupatta. We have this available in L size. These are fancy party wear designs, so usually made on organza fabric. Embroidery work, zari work, falls attached. This is the organza dupatta with foil print on it. It has four-side lace attached. This is original Bin Said. This one is also Bin Said formal. We have this available in two sizes, L and XL. This is also two-piece, only top and dupatta. It one has this frock style kurta or top. It has these beautiful crystal latkans, fully embroidered with sequin embroidery and zari work. This is the organza embroidered dupatta. Beautiful embroidered borders and cut work on the dupatta. We have two sizes available, L and XL in it. This is Bin Said original, available in small size. It's beautiful golden color. We have paired it with Sadabahar bottoms in bottle green color. These are original designer bottom. And it has fully embroidered, net embroidered dupatta. This is original Sadabahar collection. It is three-piece. This is top, this one is bottom, and this one is dupatta. It's a beautiful sky blue color top. This one we have available in small size. These are the bottoms, and this is the dupatta. Fully embroidered on organza fabric. This is original Sadabahar. It is available in M size. As usual, it's also on organza fabric like any other Sadabahar or Bin Said collection. Fully embroidered. It has these beautiful frill work sleeves. This is the neckline with mirror work. These are actual mirror, not foil work. It has these beautiful crystals and pearls. These are the bottoms. And this is the dupatta on organza with four-side kiran lace on it. This one is Sadabahar original, available in M size. These are the bottom, and this is net embroidered dupatta. This is also on organza fabric, fully embroidered. It has pearls attached in daman. These are the designer Sadabahar bottom, original Sadabahar, and it has its net embroidered dupatta.
Thanks for watching. Keep following Saima's collection.